My favorite thing? Chicken fingers for our big boy, pancakes for our picky eater, and the kind of timeout we all enjoy.
The emergency alert system has been activated. You will automatically tune into Channel N for important news and updates regarding a dangerous situation. In the event it does not change, please tune into Channel N. Your channel will change in a moment.
My favorite thing? Her father's eyes.
A mass casualty situation is occurring in what remains of downtown Louisville. The following message was transmitted at the request of the Kentucky Emergency Management Agency of Louisville, Kentucky. Fireworks that were launched through the thunder of Louisville were actually nuclear missiles. These nuclear missiles were placed strategically not to target cities, but rain clouds. A storm carrying the fallout is currently going south at 35 miles per hour. One of these missiles malfunctioned and destroyed downtown in a radius of Court Avenue to the north, 15th Street to the west, Sorn Avenue to the east, and Broadway to the south. The counties of Jefferson, Bullitt, Floyd, Clark, Spencer, and Shelby have issued a mandatory shelter-in-place order effective until further notice. Turn off all heating and cooling. Go to the most interior room in your shelter, avoiding all windows and outside walls. Barricade yourself from the outside world by any means possible. If you go outside for any reason, use a wet towel to wipe exposed skin. Do not shower. Nuclear fallout is spreading in the Ohio River and many of its tributaries. Limit telephone use, and do not contact anyone who was at Waterfront Park. They are likely dead from the nuclear blast. Repeating, a shelter-in-place order has been set in place for the following counties: Jefferson, Bullitt, Floyd, Clark, Spencer, and Shelby. Turn off all heating and cooling, take shelter, and discontinue all water use.